Hello guys, today we came to the giant eyeball which is located in a walled off park area used for outdoor gatherings and receptions. The giant eyeball is a striking and surreal art installation located in downtown Dallas, Texas. It is created by artist Tony. The 30-foot tall fiberglass resin and steel sculpture is replica of an American multimedia artist's own eyes. The eye weighs 18,000 pounds and is currently behind a fence at the Dallas Art Fair. The eye is one of the city's most iconic photo ops, created by American artist Tony Tasset. So guys, that's all for now. So if you are living near Dallas or at the Dallas, so visit this place. This is almost an iconic place, so you shouldn't miss it. So till then, bye bye, see you in the next video.